This short video aims to show you how to use projection in orthographic drawing, and to demonstrate I'm going to use the example of Le Corbusier's Maison Citroën, the earliest version from 1919. I've enlarged the plans to the correct size and I'm tracing through for clarity the centre floor, the first floor of the house, and just cleaning up the plan, broadly tracing through. When it comes to things like staircases, take the whole length of the stair, divide by the number of treads on the stair to work out each individual riser and tread length, and then recalculate those for extra accuracy. And also the spiral staircase, you can use compass or you could use a circle stencil for that. And when I've got the plan broadly complete, I'll lay a piece of paper underneath just to see the plan more clearly. And there we go, just an overview of where the plans are. And now we're projecting up, creating an elevation above. So put a datum line in, it might be the ground or it might be a floor level, something that is horizontal, and then I'm just projecting lines upwards from the plan onto the elevation above. Now I know from looking at the earlier section that the floors are 2.7 meters apart, so I've got that dimension which I can then use to set out the floor levels. But the rest of the information I'm taking from the plan, for example the doorway on the side elevation, you will see it below. I'm aiming to locate that on the elevation. Door height I'm taking from a kind of a standard door that might have in the UK. It's about 2 meters in height. For a staircase, you can take the top position and the bottom position, noting that the bottom position is 1 tread up. So that's a very important thing. Don't run a slope that runs from the top tread to the bottom to the ground. And do the same with the staircase that runs from the first floor up to the second floor, the roof floor. Staircase is usually around 42 degrees, less than 45 degrees. And projecting up from the roof plan, the second floor plan, there's a small structure on the roof, so I'm projecting that upwards from the plan again. So as much as possible, I'm not using a scale to measure, I'm just projecting up from the plans to create a complete elevation above the plan. At this stage it's all rough pencil work, so don't worry about lines overlapping, don't worry about projection lines. If you're using a hard pencil like a 2H or a 4H or something, then it won't matter, the lines will be very light and you will be overlaying with another sheet and tracing through to create a final drawing at some point in the future anyway. So you don't need to worry about too many lines. As long as you can read the drawing, as long as the drawing is clear, that's fine. So there I've got the line of the handrail above the stair put in. Normally a handrail on a stair is 900 millimeters above the stair itself, above one of the nosings, the edges of the stair, and a handrail on a balcony is normally 1200 millimeters above. Again, if you're unsure about these things, you can measure them from an example like a doorway in your house or a staircase in the building here. Okay, so my next step would be to project across to the right or left from the elevation I've made to start an end elevation or a section. So projecting across and up, I might have to move the plan to locate the plan underneath the new section, but I'd be projecting across as well as up.